Today we are back looking at the ever popular Calvin Klein, which is a brand that everyone knows, and this is the triangle bra. So this is in Shoreline, which is a very dark navy. It is absolutely beautiful, and as this is just a lace triangle bra, there is no underwire or padding or anything like that. It just gives a very natural silhouette while still being extremely comfortable. The lace is very detailed, as you can see there. It's also extremely soft, and it does have this on the edge, which is a different type of lace, which just helps to draw the eye into that very centre. As it is a triangle bra, it is a little low cut, as you can see there, but it's one that you can just throw under anything and it will look amazing, and also you'll be incredibly comfortable as well. And then this same beautiful lace goes all the way around into the back band, where you have 3 rows of 2 hook and eye fastenings, so that gives you quite a bit of adjustability. This is also in the same navy, so it blends in extremely well. But the whole back band is very, very stretchy, as you can see there, which again adds to that comfort. It also means it's not going to dig into you at all, as do the shoulder straps. They are very stretchy and also very adjustable, as you can see there. Again, the hardware is all in navy. And along the back band, it actually has this satin type material which goes under your arms. Again, adds to that comfort. It just gives it a little bit extra as well, rather than just being all lace. And even though the cups on these are made from lace and quite sheer, once it's on, it does not look as sheer as it looks right here. So you can definitely get away with not having to put anything on underneath this. And even though this bra does not have any underwire, it does have quite a thick band there, which is elasticated, which does give you some support. The Calvin Klein triangle bra, as shown here in Shoreline, is available right now on Belle Lingerie's website, and a link to it will be in the description bar below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our future reviews.